Hi guys, and welcome back to Ask Traders, where today we're going to be looking at the Parabolic SAR. The Parabolic SAR is a trend following indicator that you can find on the majority of trading platforms, including the one I'm using here, which is TradingView. It was designed and developed by Wells Wilder in 1978 and was designed to identify when a trend stops and reverses, or SAR for short. As you can see, the indicator shows dots above and below price. When you see dots above price, it indicates that the market is in a current downtrend. And when the dots are below the current price and below the candlesticks, it indicates that the market is in a current uptrend. When a change in trend occurs, the Parabolic SAR will stop and reverse, as the name says. And when that change does occur, the indicator will begin at the low or high of the previous period, as you can see here and up here. This is a really useful tool if you're looking to place stop losses, and provides a great area to do so. Another thing to note here is that as the plots on the indicator begin to widen, it shows that there is a stronger momentum in the trend, and as these plots begin to close, it shows that that momentum is weakening and could be signaling a trend reversal. There is one thing to note, however, and that is that no indicator is bulletproof, and you can see false signals like you would on any other indicator. So I suggest using it as an added advantage to your trading strategy rather than focusing your trading strategy on this indicator itself. To see more on the Parabolic SAR and how you can implement it into your trading, or for other strategies and technical indicators, head over to our website at asktraders.com.